Hello everybody, my name is Tushi and welcome to my first video review of the 2B Professional Optical Gaming Mouse. Let's start with the overview. On the left side, we have the 4 LED indicator buttons that indicate the TPI level, the forward and backward buttons, the up and down volume rockers, which is surprisingly useful. We have the right click and the left click, obviously, the scroll wheel, which is kinda nice, the TPI button. On the right side, we have the double click button, and there's a mysterious press button, ironically labeled, that we'll get back to in a second. On the back side, we have a pulsating blue LED light that you cannot turn off. If you press the press button, it will open this compartment. You will get 5 places to put your weights. You can adjust the weight, which is weird because it's not mentioned anywhere on the box. The 4 LEDs on the left side indicate the TPI level, which ranges from 800 all the way up to 3200. It also has a long braided cable, which is 1.8 meters, which translates to about 6 feet long. The cable is too stiff and it has ridges and stuff. Also, the way that the mouse is shaped accommodates my kind of a low grip really well. Here's what I don't like about this mouse. The build quality isn't that good. The cuts for the LEDs are not even. The volume buttons are poorly positioned. I have to adjust my grip to click them. The scroll wheel is too hard, and the right and left click are too stale and not satisfying to click. But it is a very good mouse that is $12. Thank you for watching my review, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.